to my makeup salon. How are you today? I see. Okay, so you need to relax and have a good time. But you don't have too much time. Okay. So I can do your makeup fast. I think it'd be like 10 minutes. Is that okay? Great. So please, first, tell me your name. It's a beautiful name. I'm just going to write here. What do you need today? I'm Noah, by the way. It's a pleasure to meet you. So, I can clean a little bit your face. Apply a little bit of foundation. Nothing too strong, I think. Let's do something really natural. And then I'm going to do the makeup of your eyes and mouth, okay? Perfect. Let's start then. Great. So, first thing first, I'm going to clean your face. It's okay if I touch you? Okay. You don't have anything on your skin, but we need to be sure that everything is very, very clean, so the makeup will look better. Stay still. Good. And I'm going to remove here your cheeks, nose, here too, your mouth, chin, and up your forehead. Good. Close your eyes a little bit. Good. Perfect. So for the foundation, I'm going to use this BB cream. This will help your skin to glow, and it will look natural too. So stay still, and here just a little bit, and here on the side of your cheek, down your nose and chin, here too on the other side of your cheek and forehead. And here to your neck. Bit. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to apply a pink on your eyes. Really natural. Close your eyes. Good. Perfect. And the other eye, of course. Here. blend it very well. Great. And I think a little bit of this brown will be okay. Close your eyes and here. On the corner of your eye too. Good. A little bit more. The corner too. Okay. Open your eyes. I'm going to apply a little bit here under your eyes too. Good. You look amazing. Okay, since this is really natural, I'm not going to apply eyeliner, but I'm going to apply this mascara. So look like this. Good. And the other eye. Look up. Here. The other eye. Amazing. You look wonderful. Last thing, I think since your makeup is real natural, I could give a little more of color on your lips. Is that okay? Great. So, a little bit of red lipstick for you. Smile for me. Good. And upper lip too. Good. Perfect. You look amazing. We are done. You look fantastic. And I hope you are more relaxed now. And if you need my service again, please come back and I'll be really happy to see you again. Okay, see you next time then. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And if you still can't sleep, please check out these videos.